Hi everybody, you're on the channel Julia and PGS. Today we're going to be trying different kind of blizzards at Dairy Queen. And also we might be trying the newest blizzard, which is the Sour Patch Kids blizzard. So let's go in order. These are all the new choices for the summer. We've ordered 5 different blizzards from Dairy Queen, which are Reese's, Oreo, strawberry cheesecake, M&M's, and Sour Patch. Now let's try them. First, we're going to be trying the Reese's. I really like that. It tastes like peanut butter and chocolate. Let's try the M&M's. I mean, Oreo.
Me too.
There's crumbs of Oreos in there. It's super good. Do you guys like it?
Let me try one.
Now let's try the strawberry cheesecake. I'm really excited for this one. There's like cheesecake bites in there. See?
Like that
It's
tastes
right
super
there.
good.
Let's try it.
That tastes super good, guys.
Mm,
What you want to try, you can try this.
that tastes like cheesecake. Wow, that's super good.
And the dry
Next one, let's try the M&M's. There's a lot of M&M's in there. It's like chocolate ice cream. I really like it. And last but not least, it's the Sour Patch. This taste is really tangy, like sour. And it's really sweet, like cotton candy and Sour Patch. That's my favorite one. What kind do you guys order at Dairy Queen? I would always order the Oreo one. And now I feel like I would always order the Sour Patch one because
Me too, guys.
it's always good. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you so much. Bye.